Hey everyone, it's Cheri. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel to check out another video. I'm going to be sharing some of the goodies that I picked up this year, 2019, for Halloween. I had a $15 gift card that one of my friends got me for my birthday, so of course I spent it on Halloween stuff, and I picked up some other things along the way as well. So I figured I'd share those things with you and hopefully share with you too how I incorporated them into my decor this year. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first we're going to start with Target. I picked up this Hide and Eek boutique brand $10 clothes. You can see it has the little monster feet at the bottom. Last year I bought the smaller one. I think it was $8, and this year I went ahead and got the big one. I also picked up this really cool velvet skull. Check that out. That guy was $10. He's really, really nice. I'm definitely going to have to pack him up well this year. And then from Target Dollar Spot, I picked up these witch hat photo clips. I think these would be cute as garland. These were $3 each. I picked up 3 of these fake cactus plants. They're little mini guys. I think they were $3 each. Yes, they were. But I plan to use these in my bathroom, actually, my guest bathroom, all year round, so I really like them. I picked up this little foam pumpkin from the Dollar Spot as well. It says blue, obviously, but on the back is just plain. So I like pumpkins like this because sometimes you just want something plain, and then sometimes just adding a little pop of color or a cute little Halloween sentiment in your decor is fun as well. So I like that I have that option. I do that a lot with my pumpkins. Also in the Target Dollar Spot, I picked up these really fun black and gold sequins pumpkins with the glitter stems. These were only $1 each. They also had some like, they were almost like a rainbow colored sequins on there, and I had them in my cart, but I decided against them. So I just got the 2 gold shimmery ones. They also have the sequins with a gold matte option as well. Also in the Target Dollar Spot, I picked up this absolutely cute little baddie candy dish, and that one was $3. I'm sure you've watched videos. If you like Halloween, you've seen that they have the witch. They also have a little ghosty as well, but the bat was my favorite. I also picked up these little white pumpkins from the Hide and Eek boutique collection, which was $3. These were $3 each. I bought 2 of them. I'm really getting into white pumpkins. I don't really know why, but I really like them. I also picked up the larger white pumpkin this year. Same collection. This one was $7, and you can kind of see the size difference there. It is much larger. Alright, and then moving on to the Dollar Tree, I picked up these necklaces. I got this little pumpkin one. I got one of these for me and one of these for my mom, and then I picked up the ghosty one. I've already worn this. And I'll show you these little flash. There we go. And they have different settings, even for $1. You can just keep them on all the time, and then click them again, they turn off. Right here I have a cute little cat pillow. This is just a little face of a cat with cream off-white colored embroidery stitching. You can see it's kind of 3-dimensional. For the facial features, this was $5.94 at Walmart. I actually picked up 2 of these. I've already incorporated one in my decorations, so I wanted to keep one here to share with you. And then, oh, also from the Target Dollar Spot, I bought these little $3 candle tea lights. I don't think I have any in black, so when I saw it was only 1 pack left, I grabbed them. And then for the pets this year, I picked up this little witch finger squeaky toy. Oh, that's kind of gross. For my dogs, but my cat actually likes playing with this better. And then for my cat, I picked up this pop-up cat tunnel. It's really cute. It has a little purple ball play toy hanging from the tunnel, and then you can see the little designs. It's like got crystals and stars and moons and things like that. For my cat, he loves these little tunnels, so I'm sure he'll love that. I got this at PetSmart, and I got this. Where did I get this? I got this at PetSmart too. Yeah, I got both of them at PetSmart. Alright, and then the last few things that I picked up were Halloween clothing items. I picked up this cute girly pumpkin. Isn't that cute? The little face on this shirt from Walmart, and this was $5.98. It says a ladies tee, but these fit pretty small, so I would suggest sizing up if you're gonna go look for this t-shirt. They had a bunch of different options. I picked up this really cute girly vampire t-shirt. I love the pink lips on this one. I got that from Target. And then I picked up this shirt, which has a bunch of skulls on it, in the men's section at Zara. Okay, and then the last shirt that I picked up is like a muscle tank shirt. I got this from Target. It has little bats on it, as you can see. I almost think that these glow in the dark. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I got this at Target as well, and I sized up in this one as well because it's a junior shirt. And then I wanted to share this as well. My friend sent me a birthday package this year, and she normally gets me stuff for Halloween because she knows I love Halloween. She actually had these made for me. They're gray, black, and white pillowcases with sugar skull designs on them. Isn't that so cute? So that's everything that I wanted to share for this Halloween decor video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you stick around to see some of the other things that I picked up. And for my Halloween house tour, I'm also working on a tablescape this year. It's going to be really fun. I got a lot of new pieces for that, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to try to do that as like a process video to share how I do it, but if not, I'll at least do a tour. Thanks everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this video or if you just love Halloween like I do, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!